Hey guys, it's Jasmine. I feel like my lips look a little crooked because I allowed my lips a little wonky, but hey y'all. It is Saturday, February 3rd. And I am, why am I not going? I just got off work like an hour and 30 or 40 minutes ago. And then I came home, changed my clothes, and then I'm getting ready to meet Ro back at where we work at. She gets off at 5, it's 4:46. We're going to go eat and we're going to the movies to see Pitch Perfect 3. And I'm currently driving. So I'll see you guys when I stop next. Actually, I'm about to stop. So I think I'm gonna just vlog a little bit today and we'll see how it goes. My battery is on 45%, I think it says, so we'll see how that goes. We're going to eat at this Mexican restaurant called El Felix, and then we're going to see Pitch Perfect 3. And yeah, oh, and also a lot of you guys have been asking me about my lip color in my last video. So my new thing is really glossy lips and brown lip liner. Like, that's my thing now and I love it, and everybody else seems to love it too. So on my lips today, I have the same thing I had on last time in my last vlog. I have on Chestnut lip liner from MAC, and the gloss is Sephora's Volume lip gloss, and I have the shade Universal Nude. And yeah, I love it. And also, if you're looking for a lip plumper that actually kind of works, that's not too expensive, the Sephora one, it actually works better than many lip plumpers I've ever tried. Like, and it does tingle, but it's nothing like you can't handle, because my lips are definitely like more plump. But I mean, gloss makes your lips look more plump anyway, but they're plumper for sure. For sure. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Me and Jazz and Cheryl. And you live now. You got your I'm gonna call your boyfriend. I'm gonna DM him. All these girls back here. She got her booty out. Boyfriend,
all made up, booed up.
Where you be wearing them to? I was like, what you mean?
Everywhere.
That nigga said,
getting in trouble.
You can't wear them no more. I can't.
Y'all both got kicked.
Y'all, I made it back to my job. And I'm waiting for Ro.
I'm sorry. We going out the front because my phone up there on that charger. I need to edit you got to eat.
Why you got your camera?
I'm vlogging.
Say hey, manager.
Why you so close?
It doesn't even that close.
Why are you so close?
Jasmine ain't got my angle.
Hey, best friend.
Oh, hey, girl.
She went home and got cute, y'all, and I still like a bum getting off of work.
No.
It's alright.
Jasmine did my hair.
Yeah, I colored it and everything.
And I put my highlight right here, y'all.
I can't.
Jasmine taught her.
Alright, guys.
That sparkle. You can see it. Look at it catching the light.
You gotta know it. Look at that one.
Vlogging.
Liz, say hey to my vlog.
Why you didn't do that waterfall break?
Alright.
She didn't ask me.
Yeah, because I know you was doing your updo though, and I didn't want that little girl to have to wait.
That's Liz the great.
Hey, Liz.
Did you see this updo though? It looks really
She didn't want to say hey to my vlog. It's okay though. Bye, Desiree. You can come along.
I'm not desperate.
I'm done.
Water, I'll be upset.
My chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. This your song? I saw your little twitch or two.
Kill him.
Who did? Okay, shoulder. There you go, Mike.
they just open back up?
Probably why it's so busy. Y'all, we may not. Okay. Hey guys. So it's like freezing outside, so we can't walk around the Avalon, and it's like a 30 to 40 minute wait at the restaurant we want to eat at, so we're gonna sit in dry bar until I receive a text because it's freezing. And I have on a piece of taste of jacket.
Look at you sounding like. You should have caught that. If you would have caught that, that would your views have been on big.
Would they would have been on $1 million?
$1 million.
Okay.
Yeah, she never accepts on the card. Yeah. What a nice lady.
Yeah.
Look at this.
$20.
Who you just do, Melissa?
See, everybody nice.
Melissa.
I love her though.
Yeah, I'm so dead. Oh. How did I know you were gonna do that?
We're best friends.
And this table, they need to look. Oh, shit. Vlogception. My best friend is vlogging. Finally, she got her new camera. Yes, to the quality of her new videos to come. That was a boomerang for you guys, FYI. Food's here. I got shrimp nachos. We also got beans and rice for the table.
Burger looking good?
Yes. Hey guys, so I look real crazy.
Maybe I should do mine too.
I just farted.
Yeah, I just feel
Oh.
Beans came through the beach real fast.
I'm leaving. I mean, we're leaving.
Hey guys, we are currently leaving El Felix. We're on our way to the movies. We are going to see Pitch Perfect.
We're going to see Pitch Perfect 3. The food. It was. I don't know. Oh, I should have started my car. The food was my food. Them shrimp, they just was not fresh. You know when they have that taste. And my best friend, she can't drive to the movies because she on 30. She gonna have to calm down to the movie. I mean, in the movie, and then I'm gonna have to bring her back to our car because
I'm really like.
She drunk. She over with. Nah, she on 30.
Oh, hey, car.
Oh, hey, car. So yeah, we're about to go to the movie. Ooh, of course.
Pre-started.
I know, right? Let me go. And these people park so close to my car.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we at the movies or whatever. Well, we in the bathroom. And yeah.
Look at this water.
Exactly. It ain't no water coming out the sink, really.
Oh,
it's like a little spurt. But anyways, we're at the movies. Let me show you guys my outfit. Wait. So I just have on this shirt from Fashion Nova. It has like the little embroidery thing. Pants are from Fashion Nova as well. Shoes are the black platform Vans and a camo jacket. Yeah, that's my outfit. Oh yeah, it's from Forever 21, like years ago. Not really years, but
years?
it's been a minute. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Shorty lit.
First of all, I just want to say that my outfit is courtesy of mostly Rue 21. My jacket, well, my outer jacket is from Forever. My inner jacket is from Rue 21. My shirt, Rue 21.
You should be vlogging.
My leggings,
vlog.
Rue. No, my leggings came from what? Walmart.
Shout out to Wally World. My shirt look real wrinkled.
My shoes, courtesy of
Australia.
Of Australia. My hair, courtesy of Fatu's or Fato's. Fatu.
Oh, you went by Stonecrest?
No, I go to the one on Canon Road.
Oh, I was gonna say whenever I used to have braids like in high school, that's where I used to go.
Fatu's. Shout out to Canon Road.
Fatu's.
East side. I got a little red in the bait.
That's the camera roll.
Oh, hold on.
This should have been on your vlog.
Earrings.
This should have been on your vlog.
Beauty supply.
This should have been on your vlog.
What?
As I could, as perfect for you guys because you guys are the best. So I had to make sure I was looking cute, you know. But anyways, so I decided to record this makeup look and I love it. I hope you guys love it. A lot of you guys asked me what I was doing for Valentine's Day. I'm not doing anything. I just decided to record makeup looks for you guys because I mean that's just a thing to do.